Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by settling into position and placing your hand on the tabla with intention. Rest the heel of your hand lightly on the bayon or near dayon edge, with fingertips splayed and touching the membrane. Once done, angle the heel roughly 10 to 20 degrees so you can pivot for strokes, and keep your wrist relaxed. Make sure to distribute weight evenly across palm and fingers. This balance gives control and prevents muffled sound as you continue into basic strokes. You now convert placement into control. Anchor the heel as a stable pivot and use fingertips to execute balls cleanly. As you play, rotate the wrist subtly to change pressure and produce tonal variation. You should feel motion in the wrist, not the shoulder. Once comfortable, practice simple 4-beat cycles at 60 to 80 beats per minute, focusing on even rebounds and consistent contact. This builds muscle memory and teaches you when to lift or settle the hand for different sounds. You finish a phrase by lifting the heel just enough to dampen sustain, which gives your playing clarity. When things go wrong, diagnose quickly. If the tone is muted, ease palm pressure or spread fingers to increase resonance. If there is buzzing, shift your hand angle by about 5 degrees or recenter contact on the siahi. Make small, deliberate adjustments and listen. By practicing these micro-corrections, you'll keep your hand effective and the tabla sounding precise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.